Hi Team Avengers, this is Coach Allen De Leon. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your background sa photos mo and replace it with a transparent background using a free online photo editor. Para yung photos mo, pwede mong palitan ng mga iba't ibang backgrounds. Okay? So before we even begin, meron tayong kailangan. There are 3 things that you need before we go and remove your background. Number 1, we need a computer and a laptop. Mahirap kasi gawin ito kung ang gagamitin mo ay mobile phones. So importante, you need a computer and a laptop para mas madali siyang gawin. Okay? Number 2, you need an internet connection kasi yung gagamitin natin na free online photo editor is cloud-based, meaning to say it will only work if you have an internet connection. So make sure malakas yung internet connection mo. And number 3, ang kailangan natin is a photo of you, okay? As much as possible, mas maganda yung photo mo is solid yung color niya sa background, meaning to say only one color. For example, wall siya, color gray, one solid color background, okay na yon. Now, kasi pag maraming kulay yung background mo, multicolors, then medyo matatagalan sa pag-edit at pagtanggal ng background. So make sure you have a solid color as your background. With that being said, then let's proceed now to my computer screen. Let's go! Okay, so nandito na tayo sa computer screen ko. Now, the free online photo editor that we will be using is called, ayun, Pixlr. Pixlr.com. Okay? So, click mo na dito. Now, there you have it. Now, it's either you try Pixlr X or Open Pixlr Editor. Definitely dito tayo sa Open Pixlr Editor. Click mo lang yan. Yan. Okay. So, it's either we create a new image, open an image from our computer, or open an image from URL. So, kung saan mo kukunin yung image mo, it depends sa'yo. Pero for this tutorial, dito na lang sa files ko sa aking computer. So, open image from computer. Click natin. Ah, there we go. So, hanap tayo ng mga photos. Dito tayo sa pictures. Yan. Okay. May mga compilation ako rito ng mga photos ko. So, let's just pick one. Okay, ito na lang siguro. This one. Yan, this one. There you go. Yan. Okay guys, siguro isang tip na mabibigay ko sa inyo is kapag kayo ay mag-remove ng background, it's important na yung background na nasa likod mo is a solid color or solid yung kulay niya at wala nang ibang kulay as much as possible, so that kapag ni-remove ng software, isang kulay lang yung makikita niya. Kasi kung maraming kulay ang nasa background mo, medyo it would take longer to remove the background kasi marami siyang i-consider na different colors. Now, what I do is, as much as possible, solid yung background. Not necessarily color green. Mahilig lang ako kasi mag-green screen. Pwede rin yung halimbawa sa wall, gray siya. So, that's one solid color. Pwede rin yun. So, for this example, ito yung nakita ko, meron akong photo dito na may one solid color ako. Actually, dalawa parang gray at saka green. So, ang gagawin ko dyan, ika-crop ko na lang yung color gray para hindi siya masama sa pag-remove ng background. So, let me demonstrate it. So, una muna natin gagawin is, kung makikita niyo dito sa my layers, background. So, kailangan natin i-double click ito. Yan. Oops, wait. Yan, naka-check na. Meaning to say, in-unlock lang natin yung photo para yung software pwede na niyang i-remove yung background. Okay? So, that's good. Next step is you go to the wand tool. Click mo lang yung wand tool. Wait. Crop muna natin. Dito tayo sa crop tool. Ito yung crop tool. So, crop muna natin. There you go. Then, yan. Crop lang natin. Let's eliminate the gray color para one solid background na lang tayo, which is green. So, it will be easier na i-remove. So, click mo lang ito. Do you want to apply the changes? Yes, we do. Ayan, na-crop na. Oops, mayroon pang konti sa baba. So, para walang problema, let's remove it. Okay. Yan, mga ganyan. Yan. Oops. Mapuputol yung buhok ko. Okay, then, click mo lang yan. Yes. Yan. Okay, malinis yung background. Alright? Hindi rin siya solid green. Kung mapapansin niya, this is a little bit lighter compared dito sa baba. Medyo darker. So, that would affect din yung pagre-remove ng background. Pero don't worry, meron naman tayong technique para makuha natin lahat yan. So, the next thing that you will do is, next step, is to click the wand tool. Click mo yung wand tool. Yan. Okay, anywhere. So, pwede mo yang i-click. So, click mo lang. Yan. So, kung mapapansin mo, ito kaya niyang i-remove yan. Re-remove na niya yan. Pero, hindi niya ito ni-remove. Kasi nga, ito is one solid color, which is light green. While ito medyo dark green, kaya hindi niya ito na-select. So, don't worry. May gagawin tayo ngayon para tumuloy-tuloy yan sa baba. So, what we do is sa keyboard mo, press mo lang yung shift. Yan. Mapapansin mo magkakaroon ng plus sign. Ibig sabihin additional na isa-select. Pag kinlik mo, ayun, tumuloy na siya. Okay, so ang gagawin mo lang, click mo lang yung shift and then ilagay mo lang dito yung kung saan yung area na hindi selected, then i-click mo sa mouse mo. So, let's do it again. Dito, hanggang dito lang yung kanyang i-remove. Ito, hindi niya i-remove. So, what you do is, i-point mo rito si wand tool, i-shift mo. Pag shift mo sa keyboard, pag pinress mo yung shift key sa keyboard, makikita mo yung plus sign, and then sa mouse mo, i-click mo siya. There you go. So, tumuloy-tuloy na siya. Now, itong butas nitong upuan ko, green pa rin. So, what you do is, ilagay mo dyan si wand tool, put the shift, click the shift key, ayan, para magkaroon ng plus, and then click your mouse, ayun, pati yung butas dun sa upuan ko, nakuha niya, na-cover niya. Now, may nakikita ako rito parang hindi niya masyado nakuha. Ito. So, para maging malinis yung transparent background, again, the shift key, plus sign, and then click mo si wand tool. Now, it's gone. So, ngayon, malinis na ito. Okay? Malinis na to. Okay? So, what you do is to right-click, deselect all. Okay, so na deselect all na natin. Ang gagawin mo lang is press the delete key button sa keyboard mo. Ayan, transparent background na, nawala na yung color green. So what you do right now is click mo tong file, click save. Now, ito yung file name natin, picture 39. Then JPEG, wag JPEG kasi kailangan transparent yung background mo. So what you do is itong PNG transparent full quality. So click mo yan. There you go. Ayan, naging transparent na siya. As long as nakikita mo para naging chessboard yung background ng photo mo, it means that this is a transparent background or na-remove na ang background mo. So, hit OK. Yan. So, dito na tayo. Isa-save niya sa computer files mo. So, lagyan na lang natin is Allen transparent background. Haba. So, sige, lagyan na lang natin siguro sa madaling makita. Saan kaya natin lalagay? Yeah, dito sa pictures. Yeah, marami akong pictures yan. So, save natin. There you go, save. So, save na ito. So, ang gawin natin ngayon, why don't we check it out. Sige? So, paano natin ito makikita? Ay, ang ginagawa ko is, binubuksan ko po yung PowerPoint ko. Yan, the PowerPoint. Yan. Okay, so dito na tayo sa PowerPoint presentation. Ginagamit ko po itong PowerPoint as my canvas kung gumagawa po ako ng pagle-layout. Okay, so why don't we create another slide? Siguro 3 slides na lang. Copy na lang natin to. Copy, then there. Now let's insert tayo ng shapes. For example, this one. Lagyan natin ng color blue background. Okay, color blue background. Well, this one, kuha tayo dito. For example, itong favorite ko. The Iron Man Laboratory background. Yan. Okay. There you go. And this one, hanap tayo. Ito, the computer background. Okay. So ngayon, lagay natin yung photo ko. Yung itong Allen transparent background. Yung ni-remove natin yung background color green. Yan. So ngayon, pwede ko nang ilagay yung sarili ko dyan. But as you can see, medyo may color green ako dun sa buhok ko. So at dito sa side, meaning to say, yung tolerance nung pagre-remove kailangan i-adjust. Dito po yan. Balikan na po natin to. Ito po yan. Itong tolerance. Nasa 21 lang kasi yung gamit ko. Para talagang totally mawala yung color green, then kailangan nating i-adjust itong tolerance. You can put it to 30, 50, so it depends sa'yo. You can adjust naman. So, you can adjust naman. Actually, meron pa pala rito green na hindi natatanggal. Anyway, when you do yours, you can adjust the tolerance. Ayan. So, I can copy this one. Copy, then pwede natin siya lagay dito. See? And then, color blue ang background. So, totally transparent na talaga yung background. So, there you have it guys. Tapos na, I am done. Ang kailangan mo na lang gawin ay i-practice itong bago mong natutunan na skill. Kasi practice makes perfect. Okay guys, but if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to send me a message and I'm happy to answer all of your questions. With that, sige guys, I'll see you on my next video tutorial dito sa Ecom Growth Hackers dashboard natin, dito sa mga online courses natin. Okay? Sige, God bless! Bye!